Hello guys, Emmanuel from Geekception here and hope you are doing awesome today. Now today I shall be unboxing and doing a quick tour of the Jumper EZBOOK 3 Pro. Let's begin. And welcome back guys. Now like I said, I shall be doing a quick unboxing of this. Before I start, a huge shout out to Lisa from Gearbest for sending this to me in like 3 days I think, which was really quick. Before I give you a tour of the laptop itself, I have to unbox it. So let's get started with the unboxing. On the front of the box is EZBOOK 3. On the left side are the specifications, and on opening up the box I find a few things like the user manual, useful reminder, whatever that is, the charger, as well as the laptop, which I must admit is quite thin and light. Taking a quick tour around the laptop, and on the right side of the laptop there's a mini HDMI port, USB 3 port, as well as the power port. Going on to the left side, and there's a 3.5mm audio port, another USB 3 port, and a micro SD card port for expansion. Now talking about expansion, on the bottom of the EZBOOK 3 Pro there's speakers as well as the M.2 SSD expansion slot, which is nice. Opening up the back and you can see the M.2 slot better, as well as the battery on the bottom and CPU on the top left. I eventually plan on upgrading this with an SSD, but for now the inbuilt eMMC would have to do. Going to the back of the display, and I see Jumper as well as the nice aluminum build quality. Now that did not last long, as I sticker bombed this into this the first chance I got, and it looks better, doesn't it? Right? It looks better, yeah? The keyboard on the EZBOOK 3 Pro actually surprisingly feels good. It's got good travel and is not as cramped as I would have thought. The touchpad here has a decent size and supports Windows precision gestures, which is nice. Moving on to the display, and it has a 13.3-inch Full HD matte display, which is surprisingly good. I wish it got a little bit brighter, but when it comes to quality and viewing angles, I have no complaints. At least not yet. Something I also love about the display is that the bezels are not humongous. They are not the thinnest, but definitely not the fattest as well. Something I do not like though is that the included charger is rather short. Now you are seriously limited by where you can plug this in because of just how short it is. As regards to specifications, the Jumper EZBOOK 3 Pro V4, which I have here, is an Apollo Lake laptop with 6GB of RAM, as well as a 64GB eMMC storage. The eMMC card I got here is a SanDisk eMMC, and while it is not SSD fast, it is not hard drive slow either. As I said, you can upgrade this with an M.2 SSD for better speeds. And almost wrapping up this video is the price of the Jumper EZBOOK 3 Pro here. And without any promo code, this is actually $259 US. But thanks to Lisa from Gearbest, you guys actually get a promo code and you can get it for just $219 US, which I think is pretty cool. Now, I really love spending time with this laptop. What videos would you like me to make about this laptop? And in the videos, what would you like me to cover? Is it the keyboard? Is it the speed? Any of that? Let me know in the comments section down there below so I can cover it. Again, a huge shout out to Lisa from Gearbest. And just pause for a minute. Doesn't this look good though? It looks good, right? Right? I don't know, man. Perhaps maybe I'm a little bit obsessed about this. Anyways, that's basically been it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and if you like this video, give it a big fat thumbs up. It helps me out. I like it. Thumbs down if there's anything you do not like, and even more importantly than liking or disliking or subscribing, please make sure you take care of yourself. You're an amazing person. You are awesome. If you've not heard that today, I'm telling you. And that's basically been it for this video. I shall catch you, lovely, awesome, amazing person, next time. Don't forget to be awesome. Bye.